Hello everyone. So today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 7, Life in Eastern Coastal Region. In your previous chapter we have studied about the Western Coastal Region and Eastern Coastal Region. So now we will discuss about life in the Eastern Coastal Region. Look at the map. This part and the west side we are having Western Coastal Region. And here we are having Eastern Coastal Region, which starts from Kanyakumari to West Bengal. So we will discuss about this region now. The eastern coastal region extends from Bengal to Kanyakumari. The extent is from Bengal here to Kanyakumari. It includes parts of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. The northern part of eastern coastal plain is called the Northern Circars and the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. Rivers like Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi form their deltas along the eastern coastal plain. Here we are having river Kaveri, Krishna and Godavari. They will form the delta. This is your Coromandel Coast. Then we have that these deltas are very fertile and are called the rice bowl of India because the area is very fertile, so they are having a bumper crop of rice. Kolkata, Chennai, Paradeep and Vishakhapatnam are the important seaports on the eastern coastal plain. So some important coasts are Kolkata, Chennai, Paradeep and Vishakhapatnam. Then we have life in the eastern coastal region. First state is Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. The main crop is rice and it is having a big steel plant in Rourkela. Paradeep is a big port at Mahanadi river. The town of Puri is the site of Jagannath temple. So the town of Puri, it is a site of Jagannath temple. It's a Rath Yatra which attracts thousands of people into Puri. And Konark has a temple in the form of the sun god. This is the image of Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. Next state we have, that is Andhra Pradesh. The Godavari and Krishna form their delta in this part. The main crop is rice. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Vishakhapatnam is situated on the coast. It is an important seaport and it has an oil refinery and an iron and steel plant. Next state we have, that is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu located in the south of India. Chennai, earlier known as Madras, it is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is the fourth largest city in India. Most of the people of Tamil Nadu are either farmer or fishermen. Kaveri is the important river and Tamil is the main language. Next state we have, that is Puducherry. It is a union territory. It was ruled by French for many years. So that's why the language are Tamil and French. Aurobindo Ashram, it is a very famous place of Puducherry and most of the people are farmers. And the last state we have, that is Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the southernmost part of India's mainland and it is in Tamil Nadu. At Kanyakumari, Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea meet. And the Vivekanand Rock temple has been built near the coast. So this was your chapter. Read your chapter and understand it.